Welcome, in front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can change sound mode. At the first, move to the menu by using your remote control. And next you have to use right arrow to go for the settings. Right now tap right here and click OK to enter for the sound mode. There you can find the standard, music, movie, sports and the user. When you pick the user, you are able to change the settings like treble, bass, balance, auto volume, and the other. I'm going to pick the sports, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.